Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. My name is Priyanshu Kushwaha. Now I am in learning cybersecurity courses because my interest and curiosity about in the field very much. I want to tell you from my school days I did an interest in cybersecurity courses. So I was thinking to do further studies related in computers. So my parents and friends and teachers told me about cybersecurity. From from here, I was motivated about cybersecurity courses. So I am pursuing cybersecurity courses from Codevirus Security. This is the best training center doing cybersecurity courses. They provides many facilities like good environment, good trainer, and friendly, and they improve your personality and good communication skills. When person want to make his career in cybersecurity field, this is the best option. We will continually be learning new skills and new technologies. We will join cybersecurity course whenever you find more job opportunities. Thank you. Have a good day.